fun! DJs have always had to pick a side. Many of us are Rekordbox or Serato, but once you chose, you were locked in. Locked into hardware, locked into workflows, locked into one way of doing things. I personally have had a love-hate, and mostly hate, relationship with Rekordbox for the past few years. But what if there's an app that runs on anything? Your laptop, your iPad, even your iPhone. And it doesn't just keep up with the industry standard, it blows the doors wide open with features the others can't touch. I'm talking about Algoriddim's DJ Pro. It's sleek, it's hella fun, and it gave me more creative options than I expected. So today we're asking, is this secretly the best DJ software out there? Judge for yourself as we dig into the features that actually set DJ Pro apart from the rest. But first, what exactly makes a particular software better than another? Well, I asked many DJs in my community their thoughts, and here were the most common answers. Advanced stems was mentioned most out of the responses, along with cross-platform streaming integration. Clean library management and UI were also very high on the list, as well as software stability, accurate beat gridding, and hardware integration. And I gotta say, DJ Pro knocks each of these out of the park and even has extra features that crush the competition. DJ Pro isn't just another DJ software, it's loaded with features that can actually change how you perform. First, let's talk about neural mix, or what other softwares call stems. DJ Pro was one of the first softwares to pull off stems in real time, and it's still one of the cleanest versions out there. Dare I say it's the best? Who do you guys think has the best stems? Put your vote in the comments. I'm curious to see what y'all are using. Anyway, you can strip out the vocals, drums, or instruments from any track live on the fly, just like the other softwares. But you can also get to decide how to trigger your stems. You can tap the pad, you can twist the knobs to trigger stems. You can even use the crossfader. Just listen to how good they sound. I'm using my iPad with my Denon Prime Go just because I like being able to use the iPad for some of the effects and stuff that I'm going to show you. I like the touch screen. But of course, you can also use DJ Pro on a laptop. Okay, to get to Neural Mix, you're going to push this button. Each of these faders is mappable to your controller. And here's how they sound. I mean, it sounds pretty clean. Now you can also set up your crossfader to do different actions relating to the stems. For instance, click on this crossfader button, and you have all of these different options. Right now I have it set to sweep, so what that means is when I move the crossfader over, Now, it might be a little gimmicky, but if you've ever been DJing and wished that you had an extra hand to do something with your effects or bringing something in, this might just be the thing for you. Another standout feature for DJ Pro is the fluid beat grid technology. If you've ever tried to mix a song with a live drummer, then you know what I'm talking about. DJ Pro's grids actually adapt to tempo changes in a way that Rekordbox and Serato could only dream of. And that means more accurate mixes on tricky tracks, like old funk, disco, rock, anything that isn't perfectly quantized. Also, the accuracy of the beat grids is really good. I compared AC/DC's Thunderstruck on both DJ Pro and Rekordbox. And I don't want to get a copyright strike, but I'm going to show you the difference in the beat grids. Next up for features, Scratch DJs, you're going to love this one. DJ Pro brings proper DVS to iOS with some of the lowest latency scratching around. And that means you can plug your turntables straight into an iPad or even an iPhone, and you'll still get that tight vinyl feel. No laptop needed. And for mobile DJs and turntablists, I think that's pretty cool. And now let's talk about creativity. DJ Pro has a built-in sequencer and looper, which means you're not just mixing, you're remixing on the fly. You can strip down a song to just the kick, then build it back up with snares, hi-hats, and vocal chops. You can even layer loops, flip sections, and turn a track into your own live remix. It's like having a little production studio inside your DJ software. So many buttons. And speaking of buttons, if you're into this type of content, hit the subscribe button. I've got plenty more where this came from, no matter what type of a DJ you are. Now, there are tons of free effects packs for loops, and you can also build your own. And honestly, I played around with this for hours and I had an absolute blast making my own mashups and reconstructing songs with the looper. You have no idea how many versions of My Neck, My Back I made. And finally, the effects. DJ Pro's effects sound as polished as Pioneer's flagship hardware, and there are so many. What's cool is that you can even apply effects to specific stems. Do you want echo only on the vocal or reverb only on the snare? No problem. Add in the XY touchpad and suddenly the effects become this playful, hands-on performance tool. DJ Pro is not just functional, it's fun. And damn it, isn't that why we are doing this whole DJ thing in the first place? So yeah, the features are next level, but all the power in the world doesn't matter if your software doesn't play nice with your gear. And that's where DJ Pro really surprises people. One of the biggest headaches in the DJ world is being trapped into an ecosystem. I have commitment issues and I don't like being trapped. Rekordbox wants you locked into Alpha Theta. Serato, you're married to your laptop and a handful of controllers, but DJ Pro takes a totally different approach. It just works natively with almost anything. Plug in a Pioneer Flex 4, a Denon Prime, Newmark, Hercules, whatever you've got, and chances are that DJ Pro is going to recognize it instantly. And if your controller isn't natively compatible, the MIDI mapping is super easy and way more intuitive than Rekordbox. I didn't like a few of the things that they had mapped when I plugged in my Prime Go, so I changed them quickly and set it up how I wanted. Another cool thing is when you plug in your controller, the software actually changes its layout to match the hardware. The interface adapts itself so you're not stuck staring at a screen that doesn't fit what you're doing. It's a small detail, but it makes a huge difference when you're performing. And I think it just speaks to how Algoriddim is customer focused. But it doesn't just stop there. DJ Pro runs everywhere. Mac, Windows, iOS, Android, even inside MetaQuest and Apple Vision Pro. Whether you're streaming from your bedroom or scratching on your iPad or experimenting with VR DJing, you're not boxed into one setup. It's about freedom, and that's something that most DJ softwares still don't offer. But let's be honest, software and gear don't mean much if you can't get to your music. And this is another area where DJ Pro shines. DJ Pro is the first and only software to integrate Apple Music. Add in Tidal, SoundCloud, Beatport, BeatSource, and you've basically got the world's biggest crate at your fingertips. And for beginners, you don't even need a giant music library because DJ Pro comes loaded with 8,000 free tracks, loops, and scratch tools. And I think that's a pretty cool way to practice without emptying your wallet. Now, if you have existing crates on another software, DJ Pro will import those playlists along with your cue points so you can jump right into mixing. It's seamless. Oh, and one more bonus feature, how quickly it loads and shuts down. I know, it's a small thing that maybe no one cares about, but personally, I cannot stand how long Rekordbox takes to load. Annoying. Okay, but no software is perfect, so let's be fair and look what people might not like about it. Well, the crossfader effects are a little gimmicky, and I think DJs will either love it or hate it. But remember, it's just another tool to help with creativity. Another factor some DJs might not like is the industry standard mindset. If you walk into most clubs, you're going to find the club standard CDJs and Rekordbox USB setup. But just because something has been around forever doesn't make it the best. Rekordbox is like driving a gas car. It's everywhere, it works, and it's just what most people know. But DJ Pro is like an electric car. It's quiet and innovative and packed with features that the old standard can't touch. The only reason gas is still the standard is because it's been around longer. And another thing people might not like, it's a little futuristic. I mean, we're talking VR compatibility and iOS first features, and it's AI driven, and some DJs might find it almost too out there. Plus, change is hard. We like what we know and what we're used to. So here's how I see it. DJ Pro is the future. In fact, what usually happens is DJ Pro releases new features and the rest of the companies scramble to do the same updates. Now, if you want flexibility, powerful tools, and software that keeps pushing DJing forward, DJ Pro is the best software out there right now. But even the best DJ software can't help you if you're still making this huge mistake when you DJ. So check out this video about how to plan your sets properly and why you should.